I'm over here in the Price Chopper kitchen with my friends Craig and Gay Jones. I'm always so super happy when you guys are here because that means we're going to have some good food.
Fun with food, right?
So you know what? There's not a better time than a Friday morning to get started with some food. And you guys have great recipes and ideas for us today, especially with, we prepare way too much food over the holidays.
Every time we have a holiday feast, we make more than we are possibly going to use.
Yeah.
And what happens is you have all this leftover stuff. And you know, I don't know if you know this, but about 20% of the food that we put on our plate, Americans just throw away.
Really?
So that's about 250 pounds per person.
Oh my goodness, how wasteful.
It's very wasteful. Plus, you know, to me, you've already paid for the food. And I'm not trying to do a guilt trip like your parents did or somebody's starving somewhere. But
yeah.
The bottom line is you've already paid for the food, so let's do something fun with it. Now, what we've found is that people just don't like eating maybe the same thing over and over again. Mm-hmm. So we want to take these leftovers and reimagine them for
Yeah,
them.
you don't want that holiday ham like just reheated on a plate.
Right,
you know,
right.
Right. So how do we reuse some of these? That's what you guys have today is a combination for it's a sandwich spread. Is that what it is?
Yeah. So we're going to start off with, first of all, whenever you have the cranberry jelly at the table, as soon as the dinner's done, people just throw it away, right?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. So let's not do that.
But not anymore. Not
today.
Not
anymore. So what we're going to do is we're going to beef this up a little bit. So I'll put a little bit of this cranberry sauce in there.
Okay.
Now
that's just cranberry sauce and preserves like you'd get out of the can, right? That's all that is?
Exactly.
Okay.
Nothing special on this. Now I'm going to add some horseradish. So we're going to notch it up a bit,
Kick it up a little bit. All right.
So we do that. Now what you've got here is you can use this as we've got it as a sandwich spread, so you can make a sandwich with it. You've got some leftover meats here. You know, we always have leftover sausages and cheeses and nuts and crackers. So there you go. You got a charcuterie plate.
Yeah.
Amp it up with this.
Like we were talking about before the show, the charcuterie stuff is just so popular anymore. It seems like over the last couple of years, that's the big deal. You host your party, and then you put your picture of your charcuterie tray on Facebook and Instagram to show how popular you are.
Yeah, exactly.
Wow.
Well, and then, you know, and the nice thing about this is it's so easy. It allows people to pick and choose what they want. You don't have an actual course where you have to sit down. You just kind of put it out and let people play around with it. But what's cool is when they try this, they're going to go, whoa, you should try this. Just to get a flavor of what we're talking about.
What kind of gave you the idea to do this? I mean, you said you didn't want to waste it anymore, but I mean, I don't think in my mind I would have gone straight to horseradish to mix with the cranberry sauce.
Well, there's a recipe out there. It's called Mama Sandberg's Cranberry Relish. And it's been around for years and years.
Oh, yeah.
And it uses onions and horseradish and some other stuff. So I just thought, let's just take some horseradish in the cranberry mixture that we have here, and it makes a really, isn't that nice?
That is really good. You know what? It's almost like a cocktail sauce kind of in a way.
Exactly. It has that horseradish aspect of it.
All right, well, next up, we are doing, we're making smoothies out of pies. Yeah. I think no matter what, I can get on board with this one.
Yeah, so here's the deal. Every time somebody leaves that last piece of pie, right? Nobody wants to eat it. Whether it's pumpkin pie, cherry pie.
I don't know if we had that problem necessarily at our house.
Okay, well,
if there's an extra piece of pie, right?
So what we do is we take the pie, we put it in a blender, and we're using almond milk. And the reason I'm using almond milk.
Why are we using almond milk?
Well, it only has 30 calories per cup, where regular milk's going to be about 150 calories.
Okay.
And so, yes, I know the pumpkin pie has high calories, so we're kind of counterbalancing that, right?
Now, do you like pie with your whipped cream or whipped cream with your pumpkin pie?
Well, I'm more of just a little bit of the whipped cream on the pie because I really like the flavor of the pumpkin.
And Gay, which one do you like? Do you like the pumpkin pie
with
whipped cream or whipped cream with your pumpkin pie?
Yes.
Yes. My wife, she's just a yes girl.
We appreciate your honesty.
Look at how quickly this came together. Two ingredients in a blender.
And that's crust and everything?
Yeah, absolutely.
Crust, everything with, maybe we should put a little dollop of like whipped cream in there too.
Yeah, there we go.
That would not be a bad thing.
And then they'd be ready. And then maybe we have our next segment, there's a little spirit we could put in there as well.
Nice.
That would be a great idea.
That's for after the Christmas party, right? When you're cleaning up everything. Well, Craig and Gay, thank you very much. And next up, they're going to show us how to make planned over pot pie.
That's right.
I'm looking forward to that. Here, cheers.